What's up?
What up?
Check it out, Joey.
Yurt.
On the video.
First kayaking trip of the season.
We got you. Let's do this.
We're gonna go, folks.
New river. Let's see what we can do. He's coming in too hot. They're gonna crash.
I just anticipated you to be.
They're gonna crash.
Way faster. Hold up. Hand me a drum.
He's way faster. He's not handing him anything that you shouldn't have in a boat.
I thought you had all of them. He has the other ones.
Oh, damn it.
Yeah, he's got in the line. You come here.
Oh yeah.
We're like,
It doesn't get any better than this.
you gotta make sure you're happy. You never want that partner.
First kayak trip of the year. Will we catch a fish? Who knows? Will we have a good time? Abso-freaking-lutely. Absolutely.
I've seen like the actual certain way that you grab it. Like I know in different Asian countries their chopsticks are different, and that's like I don't know, it's kind of weird. But in Korea, their chopsticks are.
Speaker. Joe's kayak is sinking. So that's something. We just stopped to empty out the water. I'm pretty sure we left the speaker over here on the bank. So let's go grab that real quick.
My therapist. Oh, that's cool. What did you get out of that? Opening up my jacket. He was like, what's the national anthem or something like that? And he said something like, Boys in the Hood. God damn it, he just said Mo Bamba. I got, oh.
I was trying to have a moment.
Help before I go past you.
Maybe. I really don't know.
Oh, yep. Oh, that's it for me, folks.
I was about to say, shut up, stop talking to me. I'm talking to myself. I know. Oh, God, I'm taking a walk.
Hey,
Damn it.
bro, I'm real stuck.
Why did we do this?
Why did we do this?
Because we're men.
Because it's fun.
Well, I'm putting this bitch in reverse. Look at this. I'm putting this in reverse.
Yeah, that's what I had to do.
Dude, I might have to as well.
Oh, you're stuck, aren't you?
Get out. I'm not a reverse, Harry. Never mind.
Wind out, back it out. Oh, no, that was a good rock.
Hunter, how old are you?
33.
Oh, wow, you're only a year older than me. Okay.
So Joe's shit keeps sinking, so we have to keep stopping. There he is.
What are you stopping that thing?
No. I'm saying we have to keep stopping because you're sinking.
Okay, it's just not mine.
So we have to stop.
Stop placing blame on me.
Technically the kayak's fault.
Hunter, will you grab me one of those? If I could just turn my ass. That'll work too. Gotcha. Alright, and away we go. Wait, you know.
Is it just me or am I hitting a rock?
Maybe. No, we're moving.
That
You
rock.
are going to hit a rock.
Yeah, I thought I might. Would you like this back?
Red guy.
Someone gotta be way easier.
Red guy?
Yeah.
Alright, red guy to.
Just don't step in the poop.
Your what?
Don't step in all that poop.
Oh, that is. Oh, yep, that is actual poop.
Yeah.
What animal poop is that?
Muskrat, fucking otter.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, all the. Okay, yeah, that makes way more sense.
Could be a beaver.
All the semi-aquatic shit.
Yeah.
Well, since I've got him, I'll win.
What does Joe have?
Joey, look up at us.
Joey.
Joey.
He's eating. if you'll see the rare Joey. The floating Joey.
Let's fall with him.
You've never seen a floating Joey quite like this one. Now you hear the mating call of the rare floating Joey.
Me.
Joke's on you, I've got my sausage biscuit and fat
Currently beached on a sandbar during his daily 4,000 calorie intake.
Bro, it's just a sausage biscuit.
That is having 3,500 calories.
One egg.
One egg.
Egg. Oh, what are you doing? Stop it. What are you doing? Stop that. Oh, you won't got around it.
Whoa. Not proper language for the YouTube, but okay. I'm gonna have to like all y'all's conversations gonna be like blah blah beep blah blah beep blah blah beep blah blah beep beep.
Oh my god.
The 3 people that watch my YouTube's gonna be like, man, what's up with all them beeps? I'm trying to watch a fishing video. Not today.
Now, my mom said I couldn't go out tonight.
But you're 35.
32. I don't make rules, bro. Mom said I could. I literally asked her. She said no.
She win when we say no, bro.
Wait a minute.
Did y'all see that?
I have seen that actually.
Dude, did y'all see that just now? Oh, oh, oh.
Hunter! Ain't no way, you really got one?
Yeah.
Let's go! Hold up. No way? Dude, I seen it splash. I couldn't tell if it still had it or not. Come on, man.
Check it. Whoa.
There you go. Check it out. Did you catch the fishing line? Did you catch?
Hello. Trees block everything, there ain't no fucking wind. I mean, besides that, I still have not seen a single fish.
I've had 3 bites plus that fish, but I just didn't hook set them properly. But I have had more bites.
What happened here?
A little capsize, he went to turn around and it just caught him.
Oh shit.
Hunter, I think you go that way with the kayak and I'll take him that way to just get him out of deep water. I didn't know if it would help you. take some off you. Swim up and go to the other side of me. Alright. You got it, bud? Quick baited, most eventful kayak trip yet.
Well, this is where we're at, yeah. We didn't sink it though.
Didn't sink it.
So alive.
We're still a little bit of a up.
Oh. There's a good chance.
There is a very good chance because when he went straight over. Because if we got two
There he
blocks,
is.
a bowl.
Oh, baby geese. Made it back. There's my boy. I missed you, big guy. We made it back alive.
Tired, boss.
Yeah, I'm kind of tired too.
Tired, boss.
But we made it. We're alive.
Give me 5.
The only person that flipped is that guy. That one right there. Peace out.